Over 94% of drivers are sitting on hidden features their car already has and never use a single one. Manufacturers buried these tools on purpose, and one of them can stop a $2,500 mistake dead in its tracks. Today I'm walking you through the 16 secret features almost nobody notices. Let's start at secret number 16, removable cup holder divider. That plastic bar splitting your cup holder looks permanent. It is. Most of them pull straight out. Suddenly one wide slot holds a big travel mug, a small bag, or your phone standing upright instead of sliding every time you brake. Snap it back when you want two narrow holders. Some consoles even stack two dividers so you get three different layouts. Costs nothing to test and changes how you use the center console every single day. Secret number 15, windshield defogging trick. Rain starts, the glass clouds over, and almost everyone cranks the heat and hits recirculate. That's the opposite of what works. Turn recirculation off so the car pulls in drier outside air, then switch the AC on even if it's cold outside. Fog is just moisture condensing on cold glass. Dry air plus the AC's moisture-moving job clears the windshield in a fraction of the time. Same trick works on the side windows. Feels wrong the first time you try it. Feels genius the moment the glass goes clear. Secret number 14, key fob hidden tricks. Your fob does way more than lock and unlock. Hold it against the side of your head in a big parking lot and the water in your skull boosts the signal range. On many cars, holding the unlock button for a few seconds drops every window so the hot air escapes before you open the door. Almost every fob also hides a real metal key behind a small latch on the side. No battery required. Some models unlock only the driver's door with one press and the whole car with a double press. Spend 5 minutes testing every button and hold combination. You might never need a locksmith again. Secret number 13, rain sensor wiper adjustment. Your wipers either go crazy in a light mist or lag behind in a real storm. That behavior is adjustable. Most cars with rain-sensing wipers let you change the sensitivity through the menu or a small dial near the steering column. The optical sensor already measures drop size and frequency. You're just telling it how aggressive to be. Set it once in spring, tweak it again for summer storms, and the system finally stops guessing. Once it's dialed in, you stop thinking about the wipers at all. Secret number 12, windshield black dots feature. Those black dots along the edge of your windshield aren't decoration. They're called the frit band. They block UV light from destroying the adhesive that holds the glass in place, control heat during manufacturing so the glass doesn't crack, and soften the hard line between the dark border and clear glass so your eyes don't strain. Every proper replacement has to match this pattern exactly. If a cheap aftermarket windshield looks slightly off, the frit band is often the giveaway. Next time you clean the glass, actually look at it. Before we hit the features that can cost or save real money, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and keeps this kind of research coming. Appreciate it. Now let's talk about the sticker almost everyone ignores. Secret number 11, correct tire pressure location. The big number molded into the sidewall of your tire is the maximum the tire can handle, not the pressure your car needs. Inflating to that number gives a harsher ride, less grip, and uneven wear. The real number lives on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb, calculated specifically for your vehicle's weight and suspension. Underinflation overheats the tires and kills fuel economy. Overinflation makes them bounce and lose contact with the road. Keep a $5 gauge in the glove box and check it once a month. That 1-minute habit pays for itself every time you fill up. Secret number 10, floor mat safety hooks. Those little hooks or clips under the floor mats aren't decorative. They're retention points. Slide the mat onto them and it cannot creep forward over the pedals. Unsecured mats have caused some of the largest safety recalls in history by trapping the accelerator. Aftermarket all-weather mats often skip the factory hooks, so check them every time you put the mats back after cleaning. 2 seconds of effort prevents a catastrophic mistake. Secret number 9, cabin air filter scent trick. Musty smell every time the AC kicks on. The cabin filter behind the glove box is the real culprit. Every bit of air passes through it first. Next time you change it, put 1 or 2 drops of essential oil on the filter media before it goes back in. Citrus or peppermint work best. Heavy oils can clog the fibers. Every time the system runs, a light scent moves through the whole cabin. Detailers charge extra for this. You do it for free in 5 minutes, and there's nothing dangling in your line of sight. Secret number 8, auto lock on walkaway. You walk away and still turn around to make sure the door's locked. Many modern cars already do it automatically the moment the key fob leaves the sensor range. Some let you set a delay so you can grab a forgotten bag. Most flash the lights to confirm. The setting is usually buried under vehicle or door menus. Turn it on once and that nagging "did I lock it" feeling disappears for good. Some systems even let you adjust the exact distance that triggers the lock. Secret number 7, rear defroster mirror heating. Frosted side mirrors on a cold morning usually mean standing outside with a scraper. Hit the rear defrost button instead. On most cars, the mirrors are wired to the same circuit so they clear at the same time. Some models also warm the wiper park area so the blades free themselves from ice. One button replaces 3 separate scraping jobs every winter morning. Once you use it, the ice scraper starts to feel optional. Secret number 6, hidden door umbrella holder. You've thrown a soaking umbrella onto the passenger seat more times than you can count. Some cars, especially European models, hide a dedicated umbrella slot in the door panel or under the seat, complete with a drain channel that empties outside the car. The umbrella stays wet without soaking the carpet. Check both doors and under both seats. The location changes by brand. Once you find it, the dripping umbrella problem is gone for the life of the vehicle. Secret number 5, manual fuel door release. Battery dead, electronic fuel door, empty tank at the pump. Most cars still have a pure mechanical backup, a cable or lever in the trunk or under the driver's seat. It works when every electrical system has quit. Find it in your driveway today, not at the gas station under pressure. Your owner's manual shows the exact spot. 2 minutes of looking now prevents a very expensive afternoon later. Secret number 4, DIY self-diagnostics feature. Check engine light comes on and your stomach drops. Under the dash near the steering column is the OBD-I port. A $15 to $25 plug-in scanner reads the exact code a shop would pull, often with a free phone app that explains it in plain English. Some auto parts stores will read it for free if you don't want to buy the tool. Knowing the code before you pay anyone turns a stressful warning into a 2-minute search. That cheap scanner usually pays for itself the first time the light appears. Secret number 3, underseat storage compartments. Running out of places to put things? Lift the front seat cushions or pull the release tabs. Many SUVs, trucks, and sedans hide a compartment under the driver or passenger seat, perfect for tools, documents, or anything you don't want visible in a parking lot. Some even have trays so items stay put. Check both seats, manufacturers put them in different places. It costs nothing to look and might be the extra secure storage you've needed all along. Secret number 2, gas pedal reset trick. Throttle feels jerky or hesitant after a battery disconnect or repair. The computer lost its memory of the pedal's resting position. With the engine off, cycle the key to the on position, dashboard lights on, engine still off, and back to off 3 times, ending on off. On the final cycle, turn the key to on, press the accelerator fully to the floor, hold 10 seconds, then release slowly. Turn the key off, wait 30 seconds, and start the car. A rough idle for the first minute is normal while it relearns. Exact steps vary by brand, so check the manual, but this free 5-minute reset often fixes what would otherwise send you to a service counter. Secret number 1, hands-free liftgate. Arms full of groceries and no free hand for the trunk button. On many newer vehicles, the key fob in your pocket or bag is all you need. A simple kick under the rear bumper opens the liftgate automatically. The sensor is tuned for that specific motion so random carts or pets don't trigger it. Some systems even let you close it the same way. Once your family gets used to it, going back to a car without the feature feels like a real downgrade, especially when both hands are already full. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. If this just saved you a shop visit or made you feel like you finally own every feature in your car, hit subscribe. Your vehicle still has more secrets and I've got more videos ready. The next one walks through 17 more features most mechanics never mention. Click it and keep going.